your Nirupama Miss, your English teacher. Till now, you all enjoyed a very long vacation. Now it's time to study little bit. Not fully, but little bit. Okay. I don't say leave everything, your play, your games and all, but you should be in contact with your studies also. So it's time to start our academics. Let us start our syllabus. Today I am going to teach you 7th standard first lesson. Lesson number 1, a tiger in the house. Lesson number 1, a tiger in the house. Poet name is Ruskin Bond. The poet is Ruskin Bond. Do you all heard about the Ruskin Bond? Who is he? Yes, he is a author. Ruskin Bond is a author of British descent. He is the author of British descent, and Ruskin Bond was born on 1934. I'll repeat once again. Ruskin Bond was born on 1934, awarded Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992. The poet was awarded Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992, and he also got an award Padma Shri in 1999. He got an award on 1999 Padma Shri for his contribution to children's literature. He now lives with his adopted family in Landore near Musarai. Now he is living in adopted family in Landore near Musarai. Okay, children, this is the brief introduction about the poet Ruskin Bond. I hope now you all got an idea about the Ruskin Bond. He is a great children's poet, children's literature poet, and he is an author of British descent. He is an Indian but British descent. Okay. Here on page number 11, here there is a brief introduction about the poet. Okay. And he is the Ruskin Bond. Is it clear? Yes, he is the Ruskin Bond, and on page number 11, there is a brief introduction about poet. You should write it down in your Fair book. Make a 200-page notebook for your English subject, Fair book. Okay. Shall I start the lesson now? Yes, children. Now I am going to start the lesson. Before starting the lesson, here there is a pre-reading activity. Listen carefully. Okay, I will read this activity. You all listen carefully. Look at this picture. A forest guard is holding a pair of cheetah cubs in his hands. Poor things, they were abandoned by their mother. Here on the page number 1, they had given a one picture. Okay. Here the man is holding 2 cubs in his hands, and those pair of cheetah cubs in his hands, poor thing, they were abandoned by their mother. Abandoned. What is abandoned? Means left out. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಚೀತಾಸ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 2 ಚಿರತೆಯ ಮರಿಗಳು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ವು? ಒಬ್ಬ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಯುವಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗಾರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ವು. Why did she do that? Do you know that why the cheetah was left their cubs? Any idea? No, we don't know. We all don't know. Even I don't know. You too don't know. Then, but what will this man do with them? But the forest guard got those pair of cubs. What he will do? We'll see next. He will take them to his officer, who will send them to a veterinarian. He took that 2 pair of cheetah cubs, and he will send it to the officer to check for that cheetah cubs health, whether they are sick or not. Okay, veterinarian. Do you know who is veterinarian? Veterinarian means he is a animals doctor. He trained to treat the sick animals. A doctor trying to treat a sick animals is called veterinarian. Okay. Next, he sent them to a veterinarian for a checkup. The doctor will tell their age and the state of their health by checking that cubs. The doctor will tell that how is the condition of that two little cheetahs. Perhaps he will also tell them whether they are cheetahs or leopards. Whether they are cheetahs or leopards. Okay, those are the same type of category animals. The doctor will recognize that whether they are cheetahs or leopards. Do you know that in olden days people trained cheetahs to hunt deer? In olden days, what the people used to do? The people used to train the cheetahs to hunt deer. ಜಿಂಕೆಯನ್ನ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಮೊದಲಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚೀತಾಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಯಾರು? ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ದೀಸ್ ಪುವರ್ ಕಬ್ಸ್ ನೌ? ಈಗ ಆ ಎರಡು ಪುವರ್ ಕಬ್ಸ್, ಆ ಎರಡು ಮರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಅಂತರೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ belongs to the forest. So he should have take the permission of the officer, isn't it? There is a forest officer and forest guard. They belongs to the forest. What will the forest department do in case of like this? ಅಂತ ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ. ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿನ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ? ಯಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, shall I read the lesson now? Because the title itself indicates that, see, Unit 1, a tiger in the house. A tiger in the house. Tiger is a pet animal to stay in the house. All of you know which are the domestic animals, which are the wild animals, and which are the pet animals. Does the tiger is the pet animal? No, it's a wild animal. Then how come it's been in the house? Lesson number 1, a tiger in the house. Is it safe to take the tiger in the house? Is it safe? But this lesson is about the tiger in the house. Okay, what is this lesson? What is this story? We'll learn it here. Okay. Timothy the tiger cub. Timothy the tiger cub. Cub andre ಚಿರತೆಯ ಮರಿ. Okay, cheetahs, what we call it as one type of cheetah, that is cub. ಮರಿ, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಕಬ್ ಅಂತ. ತಿಮೋತಿ ದ ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್. ಟೈಗರ್ ಒಂದು ಹುಲಿಯ ಮರಿ. ಓಕೆ, was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. ಆ ತಿಮೋತಿ ಏನಂತೂ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಡಿಷನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಡಿಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರ್? ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯಾಣವನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೆರಾಯ್ ಜಂಗಲ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಡೆಹ್ರಾ. ಡೆಹ್ರಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಊರಿನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಜಂಗಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ತೆರಾಯ್ ಜಂಗಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು? ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್. At first, the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother. The grandfather brought the Timothy to the house, and the grandmother named as a Timothy to the tiger cub. Grandmother was brought up in a feeding bottle by our cook. He used to give a milk in the feeding bottle by our cook, Muhammad. But the milk proved too rich for him. And he was put on a diet. He put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Do you all know that which are the protein rich of foods? Milk is a protein rich of food, isn't it? So if you daily drink milk, you will get protein and you will put on weight, isn't it? So like that, here they used to give a milk to the little cub, but milk proved too rich for him. Milk proved that too rich for him. Him means here the tiger cub. Okay. Next, and he was put on a diet. He was put on a diet of diet of raw mutton. Raw mutton means without cooking, raw mutton, and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. They used to give raw mutton, cod liver oil, and diet of pigeons and rabbits. Tempting means attractive. What we call it as mutton of pigeons and rabbit. Okay. Next, what happens? Timothy was provided with the two companions, Toto the monkey. There was a two companions for the Timothy. One is Toto and the another one is Monkey, who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail. Who was young enough to pull the tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper. And a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. Mongrel. Do you know what is mongrel? Here, mongrel means dog of a different type. New word, mongrel. Okay. You have seen already different types of dogs, isn't it? Is every dog is look the same? No, there are different types of dogs. That is called as the mongrel. Dog of different type. Dog of different type. Okay, this is the name word. Mongrel puppy means one type of different type of puppy found on the road by grandfather. Who found that? Grandfather found a puppy, mongrel puppy. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came to the young. Means the Timothy was quite afraid of the puppy because he used to darted means barking. ಆ ಡಾಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಬೊಗಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಅದು ಕಬ್ಬು ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಹೆದರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆ ಪಪ್ಪಿನ ನೋಡಿ. He would make absurd dashes with his large forepaws and then retreat to ridiculously safe distance. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಪಾವ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಫೋರ್ ಪಾವ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾಲುಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಫೋರ್ ಪಾವ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ retreat to ridiculously safe distance, ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು? ಕಬ್, ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. Last ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು? At last, finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. ಈಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೊಸಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗೋತನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫ್ರೀಲಿ. You will become a best friend to him or her, isn't it? Like that, ಈ ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್ಬಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಮೊದಲು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಭಯ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್ ಏನ್ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತನ್ನ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ತನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೆವಳೋದು, ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಹಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ತೆವಳುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಆ ತರ ಆ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ತನ್ನ ಆ ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಪ್ ಮೈಗೆ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೊಳ್ಳಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಬೆನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಆ ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಪ್ ಬೆನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ. isn't it? Okay childrens, clear? Yes, till now what you have to do, you should read this whole lesson again and again, repeat it and understand the new words. Make a list of new words. Okay childrens, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.